What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 8 of the GTR build. In this part, we're going to be assembling the vehicle, and we got a lot of work to do, so we're going to get right to it. Alright guys, we got the car back at the shop, and right now we are going to be transferring everything from the damaged door, which is right there, onto the new door, which is freshly painted. We're going to transfer everything, every single piece from that door onto this new door, get this all buckled up, and yeah, head on to the rear bumper, and then on the front end, fender liner. Keep working. Let's go. Right now we are going to be putting on this top piece. It goes over the quarter panel by the roof over there, and once we get this on, we can continue moving, getting the inside airbag, seat belt in, and getting the interior together. Right now, we're going to install the roof airbag. Let's go. We are now going to be installing the seat belt. This is the passenger side seat belt. This seat belt was repaired. Shout out to L&D Solutions for the quick turnaround time, awesome quality, OEM quality, amazing. Everything works. Everything does not look like it's been mangled with or touched at all. Their Instagram is right here, and I'll leave the link down in the description. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do right now is assemble the rear seats, get the interior all put together besides the front seat, because I'm still waiting for the seat cover to be stitched up. This should take a couple minutes. Let's bust it out. Guys, we got the front end looking nice and tight. All the gaps look perfect. All the way through here. On the headlight, they look good. This side, same thing. Perfect all the way up. We are ready to start mounting the bumper. See that gap? We're ready to start mounting the bumper. We do have a little bumper bracket that gets riveted on right here. I bought a rivet gun right there, and I'm going to rivet that on right now, and we're going to put the bumper up, measure it, see all the gaps, and if everything's nice, we're gonna bolt her down and continue working. So the guy put Loctite on this tow hook cover, which is like a license plate thing, and we've been slamming this thing with the hammer, put WD-40, put everything you can imagine, and it's not coming out. We barely got it like a semi-loose, so now we're just working with it. Take a look at that Loctite. Yeah. Yep. Bumper's on. We're gonna start bolting her down. we're taking off the side skirt because I have an aftermarket side skirt. It looks a whole ton better. It makes the whole car look wide at the bottom. You can take a look at the other side. Yeah, that looks a whole ton better. We're so close to finishing, man. Couple fender liners, and yeah. Look how it looks low. Alright guys, it is time for the most annoying part, which is fender liners. Here's the rear one, and then we got a front one, but right now we gotta take the wheels off. Before we do that, we gotta take the wheels off and put these on. Let's go. Very dangerous when you are putting on fender liners. You make sure you have a helmet on. Make sure you have a helmet on because the car may fall on you. And guys, with the wheels, we were thinking about getting them powder coated because initially they should have been powder coated, but it turns out they were painted because originally you can see the color was black. So we're going to sand them all down, repair them, and then I'm going to refinish them. I'm gonna go to Wesco, get a color match, and refinish them. I legit hate these fender liners, dude. I hate any sort of fender liner. Alright guys, so our package came from L&D Solutions to Backyard Boys. You guys know what it is already. They misspelled it. That's a Z. Anyways, let's open this up. This should be the top cover for the seat. And let's see the quality of this thing. Let's check it out. Oh, dude, look at that. Nicely packaged. Good. Let's move all that. While I open this, I'm gonna show you guys the L&D website and everything, how they operate. Awesome service, awesome work, awesome quality, A1. I would recommend. All right, guys. So basically, here's the website. It is lndsolutions.org. Super simple to remember and super easy. Very simple to operate this website. They have a bunch of different services like seatbelt repair, seatbelt coloring, all this battery cable repair, steering column repair, and whatnot. And if you guys have any kind of maybe custom or something they don't have on this website, just scroll down over here and here's the contact information over here. Just give them a call or email them and ask them. Doesn't hurt to ask. Super nice guys. Basically how it works, for example, if you have a seatbelt that needs to be repaired, which is right here, press the Explore. And here it says place your order. Package your parts along with your address and contact info and ship it to us. Basically, you pick what kind of seatbelt you have. Is it a single stage seatbelt, a dual or a tri-stage, or is it a pre-tensioner? Say you have a pre-tensioner, I press I have this part and add it to cart. How many of them do you have? 1, 2, 3, however many are blown, that's how many you add. Press add to cart, and then it goes up over here, which says $49.99, and you purchase it. And there's a number down here. Any questions, anything, they're located in California. Awesome guys. These guys are amazing. So here's the seat cover. You guys saw in the previous video it was ripped. Oh man, I can't even tell where it's ripped. Look at that. I think that's the side that was ripped. Yeah, it was like this and this blew out. Yeah. So this was ripped. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Is this new from dealer?
Yeah, brand new. No, just kidding. L&D actually repaired this.
That's some quality stuff, man.
Man, that's insane. Look at that, like you legit can't tell that's been replaced. So this is this side, right? It has this tag, and then look at the other side. Boom, exact same. That is amazing. I'm gonna tag their YouTube, their link to their website and everything down below. And yeah, shout out to the boys there. Let's get this together, get the seat in the car, and we're almost done.
Let's get rolling.
All right guys, so we're at the house where we're gonna be putting the seat cover onto the seat, and we're gonna get that all buckled up right now, and then get the seat inside the car, tighten everything down, and see if we can get that airbag light off. Let's get right to it. Okay guys, so we got the seat all buttoned up. The seat is looking perfect everywhere. We got all the attachments on, everything. We connected this headrest or this backrest so it'll be heated. Everything's looking good. We're going to vacuum this right here on the floor and install the seat. Let's do it. We got the seat in, everything's installed, everything is working. Up, down, this thing works. Everything's working. Looking beautiful. Massive shout out to L&D Solutions one more time for the awesome work. As a matter of fact, B is for Build went to L&D's shop to get his Lamborghini stuff done. So yeah, hope that means something to you guys. Check them out, link description, and their YouTube and their website. Let's get to the fender liner, and that's probably a wrap to this whole car besides those hood vents. All right guys, that is a wrap for part 8. We got the majority of the car assembled. We got the hood vents left and the belt molding left and a little fender molding, but that is super easy to put on. That takes a couple minutes. We have not put those on because the car is not buffed right now. Our next step is air suspension, so I'm super excited. Stay tuned for part 9. I appreciate all the love you guys are giving me, all the views, all the likes. Please smash that thumbs up button, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.